Good morning, class. Good morning, chair. Good morning, nose. Now the morning air. Good morning, earth. Good morning, sun. It's time to all listen. Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. G here with Miss Trio, and we're going to show you a little bit how to make 4 and 5 with our math packet. So this is our new math packet that we've been preparing for you guys. Wow! Isn't that great? It looks so beautiful. We worked so hard to make it. So now over here we have different things that we need. And it says that we need over here, if your mommies and daddies help you read this, red and yellow bears. Red and yellow bears. And so we have them right here. But is it okay that we can use other things in case you don't have them at home? Of course it's okay. So I'm going to show you first how to do this with some paper clips. So the goal for this number 1 is to make the number 4. So one thing that we can do is we can just take 2 different colors. So right now I have 2 different colors of paper clips. You can use pencils, you can use paper clips, you can use M&Ms or Skittles, and then you can eat it afterwards. I think that would be a super, super fun thing to do. But what we're going to do is we need to make 4. So I can just put 2 over here, and I'm just gonna count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But wait, we have 2 different colors, don't we? In 2 different sections. So let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4, right? Is that just like the bears? 1, 2, 3, 4? Yes, it is, and that's super beautiful. However, we see that we only have 2 red and 2 blue. But wait, 2 red plus 2 blue equals 4 altogether. Isn't that right? So we can change, so now we can color it 2 red and 2 blue, right? Now I'm going to show you another example just so we can practice a little bit more. I'm going to use the bears this time. So this time I am going to put 4 bears on the mat. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 bears. Wait a second, that's not right. No, wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right? Of course it's not right. So I have to take away 1. I'm going to take away one of the yellow ones. And now look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bears. Isn't that great? That's perfect because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. So we have 1, 2, 3 red and 1 yellow. So now I'm going to color it. So I see my little coloring. And remember how I color, I like to go all the way around the outside first. I like to go all the way around the outside. If I make a mistake, that's okay. I just have to do my best to make sure that there's no white. There you go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the 4th one needs to be yellow, right? Because just like how we did it before, we don't want to do them all the same color. We want to have we want to show the different ways that we can make 4. We can make 4 in lots of different ways. And so we see 1, 2, 3, and 1. Isn't that great? Let's do it again with 5 this time. So this time I'm gonna do it again with the paper clips, just so we can do it. So watch this. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like this, right? Isn't that great? Wait a second. This one's in the wrong spot, isn't it? So I have to move it all the way over here. Put all the blues together. Put all the reds together. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we have 5, right? Isn't that perfect? But wait a second. 2 red and 1, 2, 3 blue. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to show you how to color it this way. Even though last time we did with the yellow and the red, that's okay. If you whatever you have at home, I just want 2 different colors. Are we going to use 4 colors? No. We're going to use 2 colors. So I'm just going to color this guy again. Whoop. See how beautiful we can color it. Remember, we just try to go along the outside, go along the outside, go along the outside, go along the outside and color it in. So I have 2 red, and this time we have 3 blue. So we just want to do it this way. Are we going to do all the different colors of the rainbow? No. Remember, how many colors? 2 different colors, red and blue or red and yellow, okay? Try your best just to show the different ways that you can make 5. See? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. B-E-A, beautiful. Easy peasy, right? Yeah, okay. So now we're gonna turn to the next page. And it's just like we did before, kind of, right? So show and see. Over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 total, right? 1 and 3. We have to do 1 and 3 different colors. So let's choose our 2 colors. I'm gonna choose red and blue just because I like these 2 colors. I'm gonna make my 1 blue. I'm gonna make my 3 red. So I'm gonna color 1 blue and 3 red. Let's try that again. 1 blue, because I wrote 1 in blue down here, and 3 red, because I wrote 3 in red over here. So watch me color again. Color the outside, and then color the inside, color the outside, then color the inside. And now I'm gonna color this one, go around the outside and color the inside. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's make sure that everything is worked out. So again, 1 blue, 3 red, and all together they make 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't that right? And that's the number right over here, 4. Now we're gonna do the same thing over here for the envelopes. So maybe I'll change the color this time. I really love the color purple. Oh, and I also love the color yellow. Aren't these just like the teach colors? We can, as long as we have 2 colors, not 3 colors, not 4 colors, 2 colors. So now you see here, this is the number 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need to color 1 purple and 4 yellow. See? So, how do we color again? Remember, how many purple are we going to color? We're going to color 1, just because we colored the 1 over here. And we're going to color around the outside and the inside, around and inside. Easy peasy. Around and inside, around and inside, around and inside. Beautiful. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 4 make 5. Isn't that easy? I think that's great. So now we can do it ourselves down here. So for this one, I can choose whatever colors I want. I'm going to choose again. You know what? I'm going to choose this time. I'm going to use pink. I'm going to use pink and blue because I think pink and this beautiful color blue are great. So I'm going to color 2 pink. Let's color 2 pink this time. So watch this. This time we're going to work the backwards. We're going to work it backwards. So I'm going to color first and then I'm going to write the number. Do you think that's okay? I think that's okay. Color. I'm coloring 2 pink. And I'm gonna write 2 because there's 2 pink. So let's see how we write the pink. Remember? Backwards C. And there's the 2, right? Perfect. Now, over here, how many left do we have that are blue? Let's see. 1. Ooh, I really like this blue. It's like a turquoise. It's a beautiful color, turquoise. It's almost blue. Turquoise means kind of in between blue and green. It's almost blue, it's almost green. And 2. Let's see, how many turquoise are there? 1, 2. Oh, just like this one. So 2. Isn't that great? So now 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 can be made with 2 and 2. 2 and 2 together make 4. Isn't that easy peasy lemon squeezy? Now, the last one that we're gonna do is 5. And we can color as many as we want in a certain color, and then we have to figure out how much is in the next color. So let's choose orange and green this time. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm only gonna color 1 orange. Go around the outside, color it in. Remember, only 2 colors, not rainbow, just 2 colors. So I'm only gonna use this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm only coloring 1 orange. So top to bottom, and then you're done. Boop. Easy peasy to make a 1. And now, how many more left for the green one? Let's see, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't that easy peasy lemon squeezy? 1 and how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 come together to make 5. Isn't that easy? I think that's super, super, super beautiful. So again, how we do this, remember, you can choose how many that you want. You can make up your own, but we are only using 2 different colors, 2 crayons, so that we can put the 2 numbers just like that. Is that okay, boys and girls? So the next part is for you guys to do by yourself. You can choose, again, what color you want and then write the number, okay? So if you want to choose 1 yellow bird and 3 red birds, you would put 1 here and a 3 here. Or if you want to, you could put 3 yellow birds and 1 red bird over here. Whichever you want, you can make it up yourself this time, because this is on my own. That means by yourself. Your mommies and daddies can help you, of course, but I want you guys to try this all by yourself. As I know you can do it, because you guys are going to be super, super, super smart, and you guys can always try your best, right? Okay, boys and girls. If you guys need any more help, you could always message us, okay? But anyway, we'll see you later. Do you guys think you can do it? I think you guys can. So I'm going to give you guys one big mind hug. Poor luck. Try to do it all by yourself. All right, I'll see you later, guys. Bye.